Owabe ngumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma ubevela okokuqala selokho waqala ukudonsa isigwebo sakhe senyanga ezili-15 ebhadla ejele lasemtshezi ngecala lokudelela amandla enkantolo.
Mr. Zuma?
Yes, I'm around.
Kulokhu befaka isicelo sokuphikisana nokubanjwa kwecala lakhe ngohlelo lwezokuxhumana nge-internethi.
As we sit now, my lord, it cannot be denied that he is handicapped or his rights in terms of 35(3) are violated or limited, to put it mildly.
Ithimba lakhe labameli lithi ukuqulwa kwecala lakhe lenkohlakalo nokukhwabanisa ngalendlela kuzobukela phansi amalungelo akhe okuba necala eliqotho. Bafake isicelo enkantolo ephakeme yaseMgungundlovu sokuba lihlehliswe ngamasonto amabili noma amathathu.
In the past, as I've said, there has been an attempt to mutually accommodate each other where postponements were necessary. Postponements has been granted by agreement between parties. And it's quite telling that when Mr. Zuma is incarcerated, that the state would insist that a plea that may result in his acquittal should in fact be debated in his absence, in his physical absence, outside the courtroom.
Kepha uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi luthi ayikho into evimba ukuthi leli cala liqhubeke, luthi selivele lidonse isikhathi eside kakhulu.
The accused has for more than 10 years taken every point in the book to avoid having his day in court. He desperately seeks to avoid answering the charges of corruption, fraud and money laundering made against him. He raises objections again and again. The objections raised today are objections which were raised and decided against him by the Supreme Court of Appeal in the spy tapes case and by the full bench in the stay of prosecution.
Kusenjalo uma isinqumo senkantolo sivuna uZuma kulesicelo uyobe sefaka isicelo sokuba kushenxe umshushisi wombuso kuleli cala uAdvocate Billy Downer.